Hi everybody, it's already afternoon over here. Look at how beautiful. It rained this morning, but it already stopped. So I made it, and I look a little ugly, but who cares? I ain't trying to impress nobody. Let me just write down what I am going to deliver. It's almost lunchtime. It's almost lunchtime for me, and actually forgot to drink my meal replacement, so I'm gonna drink it now, as well as my other vitamins, and I think I'm gonna order a salad for later. I'm gonna order a salad. Let me see if I could drink it like this. That's like a little filter here, so I didn't know if I was gonna be able to drink it like that. So I'm a little early, like maybe 15 minutes early. So I'm just gonna finish this, go inside, and I also got like a package. I have like a package here that my friend sent me, and I am gonna open it. I'm gonna open it with you guys. Actually, this is really good. It's like the chocolate one. If you guys haven't seen my video of my shopping haul on Bella Al Natural, go and check it out. I also brought my Bella liver support, which is I have to take it, 2 capsules before breakfast, and then and 2 capsules before my I should have taken it already, because I'm gonna go ahead and eat after picking up work. So I should have taken 2 of these. Now I have to wait till I get my lunch and take it before lunch. So anyways, so let me go ahead and pick up my stuff, and then after that is my lunch. So, and then I'll open this with you guys. Just stay tuned, and this is not going to be a long video. This is just later on when I'm in the clinic, I'm going to weight myself. I'm gonna weight myself. So maybe tomorrow I'll do another video. I'm gonna be embarrassed, but I know I weigh a lot, but who cares? Because I'm taking this eating healthy and taking all these meal replacement and all these vitamins I bought. I'm taking it serious, because what's the use of spending so much money if I'm not even gonna try, you know? And it's time to get healthy now. Like, I'm pre-diabetic and I'm not taking care of myself. Well, now I am, but I need to just start eating healthy. That's it. Start eating healthy and making sure I lose the weight and be the weight that I'm supposed to be. Next step is probably going back to the gym. I think they might be opening back again, the gyms, and there's gonna be restrictions taken off. I believe my friend was telling me today that Disneyland's gonna be back open, so I'm pretty sure they're gonna open the gym. So I'm gonna just go ahead, and there's the Planet Fitness is like maybe 5 minutes away from my house if I take, if I drive there. So I am a member. It's just it hasn't been open because of the COVID, But anyways, let me go ahead and do what I have to do. Let's go eat lunch. I'm not that hungry, but I am going to go ahead and choose a salad because I'm not that hungry. But I have to eat. I have to eat to get that energy in my body. I feel so weird without lipstick. But anyways, let's wait till I go get my salad, and then I'll open up my little gift myself. So now it's lunchtime, and I definitely need my coffee. I didn't make myself a coffee this morning, and I just had a chance to get it from Panera. That feeling of just tasting the coffee is like heaven. So I bought Panera. What I got me is like a chicken noodle soup. And I parked close to a 99-cent store because I need to buy like a card because I'm sending my friend some stuff and paying her as well. By the way, so this is a salad right here. I think it's like an Asian something. I say Asian something because it's called Asian. Forgot. But anyways, this is how it looks. It looks very, very, very yummy. And they gave me chips. These are the kettle cooked potato chips. Really good. We have a cold weather over here. I don't know what kind of dressing is this. I think it's Italian, if I'm not mistaken. Italian. It has almonds, some sesame seeds, some chips in it, and of course the chicken. I'm surprised they didn't give me a bread. Usually the salad comes with the bread. When I have bought, surprised they didn't give me a bread with it. It's very windy. Let me show you guys. Very windy. Can you guys see that? But it's turning out. We started bad. It went in the morning. It was raining, and now it's beautiful. Sorry. I want to tell you guys that I'm gonna get these eyebrows done. There's this page in Instagram with this girl that was recommended to me, and she's actually really close by. And I believe she doesn't charge that much because the other people that I have approached, one is in San Diego and she does a good job. And she charges like $700, I believe, and the other one charges about that much as well. And they told me about this other one, and I think she's starting, but she does a great job. I'll show you. I'll screenshot a picture of the befores and after. I'll put maybe two screenshots of two pictures of the work she has done, and She has them on her Instagram, so I guess it's okay if I post them, you know. Some are customers, but yeah. Also, I've been thinking of getting my lips done, lip injection. I know my lips are full, but I just want to upgrade a little bit. I had them before. I had them done before, but I don't remember if they last. I don't remember if they last a certain time. My lips haven't been too small, or they're not like, they haven't been like too small. But I think the last time I got them done, and that was a while back, maybe in 2017, they did get plumped. But anyways, I want to get those two things done on me. Hope you guys, did you guys get your stimulus check? We got something ching on the back. I ordered some stuff in Amazon. I ordered a couple stuff on Amazon. Some of the things I order, I'm so happy because I need it for my Poshmark. I bought this printer. I checked the reviews on YouTube, very good reviews. So that means that now I don't have to go to Staples to print out the labels. So that's great news. Just waiting for that. Not like I know one of my friends told me you should just wait till you get more sales and just buy it. But I'm still gonna need it because if I like if I end up selling hair accessories from my website, I mean I'm gonna need it too to print out the labels and stuff. So I have Etsy, Poshmark, and my cutefashionablehair.com website. So I could afford it now. I think it was like 300 and something. So yeah, guys. All I'm gonna do, finish up my salad. Let me just tell you guys if I like the soup. I don't think I ever ate their soups there. I'm very particular with Panera Bread. Don't think because I go there for my coffee I like their food. Their food is not all that. I like their bagels a lot. Salads are okay. Actually, it's not too bad. It doesn't taste too bad. Right now with the cold weather, it's just the moment to eat it. Okay guys, thank you for watching. See you guys on my next video. I don't even want to say, hopefully I get to do some hairstyles because I end up not having the time, but I'm trying to make time. I'm trying to give love to my YouTube videos. I know my mom has a cooking channel. I think it's down, the link down below, but if you guys want to go check it out. She has more views than me, and she all like, but nobody really watches my videos. I don't have a lot of views. Mom, I said, look at my videos. I only have like 5 views, 7 views, but do I care? No. I appreciate those 5 views because I'm doing it just as for fun. I'm doing this for hobby. I mean, it's not like I'm making money. I mean, it's just for hobby. If somebody watches this, fine. If not, builds up my communication skills, I guess. Oh my god. You hear that wind? Oh shit. Let me show you guys. I think it's gonna rain later. Clouds are getting a little cloudy right now. Alright guys, take care. Have a blessed day. Be safe out there. And I think I'm gonna upload a video right after this one. Take care now. Now I feel stupid because I was supposedly making a video. I opened my friend's stuff she sent me, and I thought I was recording. The only reason I found out that I wasn't recording because the camera just turned off. So the camera turns off if I'm not using it. So I guess you guys missed the unboxing part, but and my reaction to it. These are so pretty, like summer colors. Look at that. I think they're all like shimmery. I think there's just like 1, 2, 3, 4 that look like they're matte and the rest are shimmery. Look at that. And it's from the Seattle Lantern palette. Beautiful. Thank you, my beautiful Angelica. She sent me these all the way from Santa Maria, California. It's like 2 hours away from like the LA area. And you guys missed my reaction when I unboxed, but this is the palette, and it's from Too Faced. This one's from Too Faced. I think that's the YouTuber who's collaborating with them. Her name's Mary L, and it's Amor Caliente, which means hot love. And it has a little pamphlet in here. Little pamphlet. It's like a guide. Yeah, I think I know who she is. She's up in the 1 million subscribers. Like, I don't know if she's more, but I know she's up there. Look at the colors, guys. Aren't these gorgeous? Beautiful. So yeah, thank you, my beautiful friend from Santa Maria, Angelica, aka Franny. So that's it, guys. I had promised you guys I was gonna show you guys my gifts from my friend. Thank you so much. I know I sent her a video today. I don't know if she will watch my videos, but if she do, I just want to thank her. And that's it, guys. Gotta let you guys go. Have a blessed day, blessed evening, and see you guys on my next video. I'm gonna upload another video right after this. It was sort of like a vlogging if you guys want to watch it. Bye now.